Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to clean your flat screen TVs. Our TV is hung up, as you can see, so no fingerprints on there whatsoever, but you know, sometimes dust does settle on it, so you want to be able to clean all that. And I am going to show you guys a good and safe way to clean it so you don't ruin your expensive TVs. Okay, so you're going to need a microfiber cloth and some distilled water. I put mine in a spray bottle. The reason why you want to use distilled water is because any other water, like your tap water, that can leave some deposit on your screen, and any other cleaner can also leave residue on the TV, which essentially could end up ruining your anti-glare on the screen. So distilled water is your safe type of liquid to use to clean your screen TV. So one thing you never want to do is to spray right on your screen TV, because the water can come down and it can end up seeping through in here, which can it can kill your TV, obviously, because water and electronics, that does not go together. So what you want to do is to take your microfiber cloth and give it a small spray, like not too much. You could barely feel it, just like that. So once you've sprayed your microfiber cloth, you want to go from one side to another, just like so, or you could just do circular motion, and this is the best way to do if you don't want to leave any streaks on your TV. So it's pretty simple but very necessary. So the cloth was barely sprayed on. I mean, you could feel it. You could feel that I've sprayed some water on it, but it barely had any liquid on it, because you don't want to leave any water right on the TV. It's just going to create a lot of streaks, and if you move any other direction, if you do too much, it's going to show. It will show on your TV. So I find going one side to another was the best way to make sure that there are no streaks. Oh, hello, you can see me there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do a quick one to show you guys how to take care of your TVs. They are expensive, so you definitely want to take good care of them. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And then I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.